Yeah.
and having to use sawzalls, like I'm up here wishing I had one.